Hello from Kelly Hicks Construction and Sublet. We're going to be looking at a new model from Quailridge. It's unit number 11914, but it's a 2019 Quailridge 39 UKL. It's ironstone with white siding, white trim, and white shutters, vinyl patio doors and windows, thermal pane windows, metal underbelly. It's a U-shaped kitchen. It's pretty cool. You got stainless appliances, microwave, stove, 5-burner range, stainless sink, sectional sofa. It's got a nice big open feel here. You do have a sleeper sofa with the sectional. Comes with the 43-inch flat screen. You have a built-in fireplace, some swivel bar stools, cool kitchen, along with the double loft. Let's head on back to the back and I'll show you a couple of the features back here. We got a shower with glass doors. There's a couple linen closets and towel closets in the hallway. It's well planned out trailer here. Great big bathroom with the window. I really love this trailer. Pocket door in the bath. Doesn't take up any room in the hall. Got a lift bed with storage underneath. You got the Serta Dreamscape mattress. Quailridge his and hers wardrobe, lit cabinet, full extension ball bearing drawer guides. Got the extra storage under the bed. That's actually a pretty sweet feature. It's got lift props that help it up and down. Let's go check out the loft. Trying to do really high resolution video here, so I got to keep it short or I'll be uploading it for a week. Here's the loft area. It's actually quite big. It's as big as the bedroom for the tall loft. The other loft is nearly as big. Got a little storage closet up there. Small entertainment center in the corner. Well, hall closet, nice sectional. You're looking at the low 70s on this one, MSRP. Stop on by and see it. We'll be glad to sell you one. This is the 2019 Quailridge 39 UKL model.